Okay, this inequality looks like this. 5 plus x divided by negative 3 is less than negative 3. The first step is to clear the fraction. So we'll have to perform the inverse operation and multiply both sides by negative 3. When you do that, you'll get a positive 9 on the right hand side. You'll have to flip the sign around because you multiplied by a negative number, and you'll have 5 plus x still left on the left hand side. We'll have to subtract 5 from both sides as our penultimate step, and so you'll get x is greater than 4. That's the solution.